DroneTalks is an online platform to spread ideas and to educate in the drone ecosystem. At DroneTalks, we discuss technology, regulatory, business and ecosystem topics openly with industry leaders to enable and foster innovation for a better future.
We are live. Hi everyone. We are chit-chatting here with Simon, I'm Eszter Kovacs, co-founder of DroneTalks. And Simon, actually we met just now, so this is why we were chit-chatting here. Super exciting to meet him. So Simon Hendry is working for Drones, right? Yeah. And if I understand well, you are the CEO.
I'm the business development manager.
Oh, sorry. Europe. Missing it, huh? Missing it, my bad, sorry. So business development manager for Europe, right? Yeah. Which is super interesting because ZenaDrone is not a European company, right?
It's a US company originally, yeah. It was founded back in 2017 by our CEO and founder, Sean Passley.
Okay.
I'll just tell you a little bit about how we were established. Yeah. As a result of a trip to Ireland, Sean was over there scanning some crop plantations with some of his plant analytics software. So he was using a third-party drone at the time and soon realized, due to Ireland's robust kind of weather and terrible weather actually, and rugged landscape, that the drone that he was using wasn't suitable to carry out the operations. So that's how ZenaDrone was established. Sean designed the drone from scratch.
Oh wow, he did design it.
Yeah,
Congratulations.
But he wanted to create a drone that was capable of, being adapted to different sectors. That was large enough to be able to carry a large payload, 40 kgs, and it was also, able to be customized and adapted so to suit different industry needs. So we designed the drone. We had a number of special features to the drone, and then we kind of analysed each industry to see where we really add value to each industry. So having done that, there are a number of industries that our drone can be customised for. So the first one was the agricultural industry. But our drone is, to make it simple, our drone is a mixture of artificial intelligence and machine learning.
Okay.
So in the agricultural sector, we assist farmers, to be able to smart farm. So by carrying out daily scans of the land, we're able to identify crop health, animal health, and then, for example, if we identify some disease in a crop plantation, the drone will automatically fly back to its charging pad, pick up a sprayer, and then return back to that piece of land and spray that piece of land.
So it has an automated system connected with artificial intelligence to understand where the work should be done.
Yes,
okay.
Exactly. So it's enabling the farmer, to reduce time by spraying too much land, and to be able to yield a better crop at the end of it all.
So super interesting. So what other verticals are you working on currently? Okay, one is agriculture.
One is agriculture. We're also in the telecommunication space.
Okay, inspections,
especially also in renewable energy. So we have solar, wind powers. We do scans of wind turbines, also natural gas pipelines. We're in the construction industry, military, and search and rescue, to name a few. So the customizability of the drone allows us to be able to reach out to different sectors, and that's where we see we can add real value.
So it's super interesting. So why Europe? It's a bigger market than the European market, or what's the reason? Coming to Amsterdam Drone Weeks, we are chit-chatting here.
Well, so we have a number of contracts established across the world. We have our head office in the US.
Yes.
We have another office in Dubai.
Oh, fantastic.
The drone is manufactured both in the US and Dubai. We have our head sales office in Dublin. We have another office in Germany as well. So we saw Europe as a lot of opportunity for growth for the drone in Europe. There's a lot of agriculture in Europe, and it was since we established the drone, built the drone around Ireland. We said it was a good place to start off our business.
No, I understand. And just, your thought, because this Amsterdam Drone Week is all about regulation. We have EASA here, we have the new use space. So Europe is normally a little bit challenging for companies regarding regulation. So what would you ask from the regulator? What would be your message to them to help you to scale? Because, I think we need to listen to drone companies' needs to be able to create an industry and scale and create revenue for the countries and, have the economical impact. So what would be your message, or how do you feel about this regulation?
Yeah, well, I suppose at the moment we're working within visual line of sight.
Yes.
For most of our operations, that's fine.
Yes.
But yes, beyond line of sight is the goal, where we can add real value, for transportation of medicines, blood, body parts across Europe. So that's where we would like to see things going. Because we're providing a service that it's it's environmentally friendly.
Yes.
We're kind of substituting helicopters in modern day use.
Yeah.
So if you think about the cost and the environmental impact of helicopters and such vehicles, drones are really the way forward.
No, we can agree on that. Drones are the way forward. I think that should be our closing sentence here at DroneTalks live interview. Thank you so much for joining. I think it's super exciting. Are you here the whole week?
Yeah, we're here the whole week. So
okay.
We're at the stand, and then also you can visit our website. It's ZenaDrone.com, and happy to talk to anybody.
I think let's check out their stand and meet Simon there. You're going to be there, I guess.
Yeah.
So let's check out their stand. And so much, Simon, for joining us.
Thank you very much for having me.
Fantastic.
Brought to you by DroneTalks Online, a platform designed to spread ideas and educate in the drone ecosystem.